Introducing the custom length XT40i speaker cable from QED. As befits a company rapidly closing in on its fifth decade at the forefront of speaker cable design, QED's brand new XT40i speaker cable builds on the formidable reputation of the XT40 cable it replaces and offers a distinctive step up in sound quality. The 4mm 2 cross sectional area means the XT40 exhibits very low resistance, allowing for amplifiers to exert outstanding control over the speakers they are driving. In addition, its large cross-sectional area makes it suitable for long cable runs. By increasing the separation of the conductors inside the cable, and therefore the amount of air between them, QED has created a low-loss air gap dielectric. This technology halves the dissipation and capacitance characteristics of the cable and results in numerous audible improvements, particularly where timing and rhythmic accuracy are concerned. X-Tube technology maintains a near-linear signal transfer at high frequencies for less distortion, more detail and greater performance. Other features include custom lengths of up to 50 meters, a dissipation factor of 0.0576, a nominal outside diameter of 6 millimeters, and a lifetime guarantee. This cable is custom made according to the customer's specific requirements and is professionally terminated by FutureShop's expert engineers using QED's superb 24-karat gold-plated airlock termination plugs. Transform your listening experience today. Now available at FutureShop.